Hey, my name is Christina Carter. I've been practicing dental hygiene for about 13 years. I currently work at Reimels Miller Patera Family and Cosmetic Dentistry in Huntersville, North Carolina. I'm also working on getting my master's in public health at Chapel Hill in their global health department. So I'm excited to talk to you about a new product I've tried. It's called Clinpro Clear Fluoride Treatment. It's a water-based fluoride varnish you can use for your patients. It's awesome because it paints on really smooth. Patients love the flavors. It comes in watermelon, flavorless, and mint. The cool thing about it being water-based is you can actually suction it off of the teeth. It does not clog your water lines, which is really awesome if hygienists know what I mean when we talk about clogging water lines. Another great benefit is it comes in a great packaging. I have it right here, so this is what you'll receive when you purchase it. It fits right into your drawer if you like to put things in an organized way, and pop it right in here if you'd like. So when I open it up, the cool thing about it is that it actually has a little tab that tells you how to use the product, which is really nice. So I'll open it, I'm going to sit it right here in the drawer, and now it's ready to use, and it's in an organized tub. The packaging also comes in a really innovative L-pop design where you can dispense it in two different ways. So the first way, which is my favorite way to use it, is you can actually pull the brush right out, and you don't have to activate the fluoride, so you don't have to make sure it's mixed. You just simply push it forward and it goes right into the well. I like to bend my brush, and then you can easily grab the product and place it onto your patient's teeth. A second way to use it, if you like to put it on your glove, is you would just bend the well back, go ahead and grab your brush out, and you can glove dispense it. And there it is. It's right on your glove, and you can easily put it right on your patient's teeth. And you can see how nice and smooth it is. Patients love it because it doesn't feel tacky on your teeth. It also has a shorter contact time of 15 minutes, so they can easily get back to their coffee or food in a shorter time span, but it is really smooth and it doesn't have a sticky texture on their teeth, which is really nice. So the concentration in the fluoride is actually less than what you would find in most fluoride varnishes, but the uptake is higher, so it's actually a better product. So patient feedback of Clinpro Clear Fluoride Treatment has been awesome. The texture is really smooth, so patients often say that they don't feel it on their teeth, so they enjoy it. It doesn't feel tacky. It has actually increased patient experience and acceptance of fluoride, which I love as a clinician. And secondly, they love the flavoring. So there's watermelon, mint, and flavorless. I've used flavorless fluoride before, and it always leaves a chemical back taste to it. And patients have mentioned that it truly has no taste. So they love the product, they like the taste, and it's really upped the fluoride acceptance rate. I've used it myself, and I've used it on my son who's 6, and a lot of times kids don't like fluoride. They just don't like the texture of it, but my son didn't complain. He let me paint it on his teeth. I enjoyed it. It's just a great product, and I really enjoy that it has a shorter contact time, so I don't have to wait to eat hot or cold foods.